Alright guys, I don't know what's going on. The stream keeps crashing, but we're gonna try this one more time. We're gonna try this one more time. If it keeps crashing, then I think I'm just gonna have to call it here and yeah, try back again tomorrow. I think my PC is it's just been overworked, and I didn't turn it off last night, and I had a bunch of stuff plugged up to it downloading. So yeah, we'll give this one more shot. Give this one more shot. Yeah, like I said, my computer crashed again. I'm gonna give this one more shot on the live. I think it's because I had my computer on all night, and it was running and plugged up to a bunch of different stuff and downloading stuff to a hard drive. I just think it's been overworked. So if it does crash again, I'll text in community chat on YouTube and let you guys know. Regardless, I will be uploading a video today of basically the recaps of these trades. So you can check out the trades there. But I mean, the computer crashed right when we entered a trade, and we were talking about it, and the trade ended up working. We entered here. It entered us in, it went up, and then it eventually just shot down straight to take profit. So that was one good trade. We are looking for another here now. Hate that this keeps crashing, but there's nothing I can really do about it. Not gonna let it kill the vibe. Let me get some music playing again. It's 7 o'clock. Top of the hour. Candle. Let's see if we can go ahead and get the Wordle going for the day. Let me pull this up on separate tab. While we're waiting for a trade. All right, so let's see. XAUUSD. Let's just start with a good 5-letter word. Okay, there's an L, there's a T, there's the E. T is in the right spot. T is in the right spot. L is in the wrong spot. There's no A. We're going to actually come back to this because we might possibly be getting into another short here. And I just want to be prepared for it. We can break and close below this area. I feel really confident about this short. It could bounce here. trying to bounce here and hold this area, this 3729.2. So it does look like it's bounced off this 3729 area. 3729 point about 3. It's bounced for right now. See if it'll come back down. I feel like if we can break this area, we'll continue a little bit lower, and we'll try to get in on a trade there on a short. We had our first short that worked out for us, but we're just looking to take probably one more trade during this session and be done for the day. And I would like for that to be our trade. I feel like that if we can break below this and close, that'll be a good high probability trade to take. Just gotta wait for it to happen. In the meantime, we can get back to playing our Wordle. All right, so there's an L, there's an E, T's in the right spot. If you guys have the word, give me some help, please. There is an E. E is XAUUSD. L. Okay, so I only did that because I wanted to make sure that the word started with L. So it does. There's no A, so, and then the E's not at the end. E could be in the middle or E could be here. L something T-E. No, not T-E, T something. There's no S. T. I don't know. T what? T-O? T-Y? Lefty. Nah, y'all gotta admit, that was good. That was good. Lefty? I don't know where that came from. I just pulled that out. Lefty. No, I'm proud of myself. That was good. In three spaces. With the information I had, yeah. That was good. Let's play some checkers against Bill. See if we can get him today. I hate that it makes you make a move. Like you don't get a choice. We got him trapped. Could move him. It's fine. Could move him here. Him. It's gonna cause him to get jumped. Great plays, great plays, great plays. I think you're cooked here, Bill. I think we got you. No, I don't think we got you. I know we got you. Get these guys down here. We got about 1:40 left in this candle. So I'll give about a couple more seconds and then we're gonna switch back and see if we don't get into a trade here. See if we can't finish Bill off. Come on, Bill, just give up. Thank you. All right, that was the dub. Checkers. We are going to see if we can't get into a trade here, possibly. If we can hold below the zone. Got about 30 seconds left in this candle. We didn't close below it. So now we need to wait for the next 5-minute candle. Go ahead and do let's do a poll. How is the P&L looking this morning, everybody? Are we green, making money? Are we red? Had some losses. Or are we break even? Everybody put your vote in for what your P&L looks like this morning. See if we get a trade here. really had a pretty good just straight down sell off here. Pretty steady for the past about 40 minutes or so, really hour. Just kind of been steady going down. We got just under a minute left in this candle. Seconds. And we will be going in short. About 10 seconds. Position will look like. See if we get filled or if we just bounce here. Which, I mean, we got some room to the downside here. I mean, if we can get out right before we get to the base of this candle, this is where price started to explode up. So we'll see what happens though. So we are pushing away from this area for right now. So it does look like we bounced here at this area, this zone, pretty aggressively. So about 3 seconds left in this candle. See if we continue to push higher. Us while we wait, because it might be a minute. We can go ahead and we can't play another game of Wordle. Oh, excuse me. If y'all know the word, y'all can help me out. I'm gonna start with, let's do this again. Let's do plate. So no PLE, there is an AT. And there's no E. No E. I bet you it's AT here. I'm trying to think of an AT word. Gosh, every word that I'm thinking of ends in an E. There's not an E at the end. It's probably a Y then. No, it's not. It can't be. It's not TY at the end. I mean, it could start with T. we'll do this just to see if. Okay, so it does start with T. So A's not there, A's not there. A's either here or at the end. I don't know. No, why? No, E. I don't know, this one's tough. 1 second, we are going to remove this order because price is pushing up away from it. Okay, just this. I don't see anywhere. Maybe if this breaks we could take, but I don't know how I feel about it because yeah, I will leave that alone. Just wait and see how this candle closes actually. Before we jump the gun. Okay, yeah. I would say you could take a long here. Close to this candle up, possibly. It is moving pretty aggressively up, but then you just see it reject like that. Like this area will support, turn into kind of resistance. I'd be doing that again. I kind of like this. Yeah, I kind of like this here actually. Might leave this. Depending on how the candle breaks and closes above that will depend on we'll decide if we get in or not. Just coming up that area. Rejecting. Tap that area now. See if we get a break and close above in this next 2 minutes and about 20 seconds. Here's a big push up. Got a minute left in this candle. It's a big, strong green, bullish candle. $30 seconds left. Three, two, one. So our order is gonna get some continuation. I mean, this is a very strong bullish candle here. See if we get some momentum just to take us up to these highs here.
Stop filled.
Okay, we got tagged in, but we got kind of filled at this price moves so fast, but we got kind of filled at not the best position, not the position we wanted. Kind of got slipped there a little bit, but that's okay. Just to hold this trade, look for it to work out. Yeah, because our interest should have been here at 34.7. We got slipped three ticks. Oh man, that trade was a good trade. I liked it. Only thing that I didn't like about this was we had some major slippage, but I mean, it happened. Trade worked out. It's continuing to run higher. Yeah, I mean, we saw we saw this area here that was held up as support, kind of bounce. It broke through and became resistance. This is where we got our first trade. Here, the bottom, we sold off, got our 1 point, and then you could see price come back up, tested it, it sold off. So when I see price moving aggressively back up after we took out this low here, I know, hey, we probably just grabbed a bunch of liquidity. We're probably just gonna move higher. I'm looking for an area where price was resistance, so I can see that resistance be broken and catch that momentum to the upside. So I'm looking, I'm saying, well, here we had support, and this area here kind of turned to resistance here on this candle and here. But since we got such a strong green candle here, I knew that this was probably gonna work out and be a valid trade. So we entered at the top of here. We got slipped, but we ended up getting our full 1 point of profit, and that was it. 2 good trades on the day. Two high quality setups, and yeah, that's it. 2 trades were done. Our stream kept crashing. I'm gonna turn my PC off, let it rest, so hopefully it doesn't crash tomorrow on tomorrow's stream. But yeah, we'll be back again tomorrow, 6 a.m. And if you're gonna continue trading, just remember that there is news at 8:30, and we are coming up on the top of the hour at 8, so there will be a little there'll be a little bit of volume coming at 8 as well. So just be aware of that. See you guys tomorrow. Deuces.